Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with a new affiliate marketing lesson, number 8. Students dissecting brains through the mail. Now we're on our brand new Facebook platform. We're in the Facebook group that I just built. Many of my members have indicated they do not like this new Facebook platform. At the beginning, I did not like it either. However, after 2 or 3 days of playing with it and learning how it works, I must say it's a lot easier to use, much faster to build Facebook groups and pages. So for those Silver Fox JV members who are struggling, trying to figure out how to use this, not a problem. I'll take you into my live training room and I'll kind of walk you through and show you how to use some of the great benefits this Silver Fox JV or the Silver Fox membership works and how this new Facebook platform works. So let's get to it. Let's work our way down here. Attraction marketing. That is one of the most powerful ways to make commissions with your affiliate programs using what's called attraction marketing. And like I say, this is affiliate marketing lesson number 8. Of course, you can't miss the title, can you? Students dissecting brains through the mail. Now, this is several attention-getting titles that I use to attract prospects to my affiliate programs and my affiliate offers. In the previous training lessons, I covered these topics. There's 6 of them, by the way. Of course, how to get your free Facebook video viral marketing system. Request your free powerful downline builder. The number one reason that marketers fail, you must go through this training here. If you're struggling trying to make money online, you must find out why you're failing. And I walk you through step by step and show you why you're failing. And of course, this lesson here, access to 2,000 free opportunity seeker leads, and then make money watching videos, plus generate thousands of views on your videos. Like I said before, this is lesson number 8 of the free affiliate marketing training courses. So if you found your way here, either on this Facebook group, or if you happen to be watching this on a video on YouTube out there somewhere, scroll down into the description of that video, and all this information will be in the description of the video, and find this link here. Click on this link to register and access the training modules above. So let's do that. You're going to be redirected to this opt-in page. Free Facebook YouTube video viral marketing system for your best biz offer. And yes, I'll make one for you. I'll make a Facebook group for you. And I'll make a video for you. I'll embed your best referral link for your best business offer here. So when you register, you're also going to receive free 6-figure income step-by-step ClickBank Warrior Plus JV Zoo affiliate marketing training course. All you're going to do is put your first name here and your email address here and submit. When you do submit, you're going to be redirected to instructions on how to request your free Facebook YouTube viral marketing system for your best biz offer. Basically, all I'm going to do is take your website and referral link, and I'm going to take a look at your money-making opportunity or whatever it might be. And if it fits, I will then make a video inserting your money-making opportunity in the description of that video. Of course, like I said before, I'm going to make a Facebook group for your business and you, and then I'll be placing your video embedded into the Facebook group. Okay, let's get busy here. You are attracted to this video and or post because of a couple reasons. You want to learn more about students dissecting brains through the mail. Or you're an affiliate marketer and you want to learn more about attraction marketing. Or a combination of both. Futurism happens to be a platform that I have subscribed to. Been watching them for about a year. Every so often, 2 or 3 times a week, I get an email. It's very unique articles, very interesting articles. In fact, it attracted me to this platform. And some of the titles, I mean, it's impossible not to read about it. So it's just one of the several locations I use to find really off-the-wall articles I use in the titles of my posts on Facebook and videos to attract prospects. That's what it's all about. So you have a lot of competition out there. A lot of people are trying to get you to pay attention to them. What I do is I think out of the box, and I'm very creative with my email marketing, and I'll be talking about a course that I have that I'll share with you later on. But that's how I attract prospects to a lot of my ClickBank and JVZoo and Warrior Plus offers, is using attraction marketing with titles. Obviously, it must work because you are reading this post and or watching this video. You'd be surprised how many people either read my posts or watch my videos because of some strange title that I have in the content of my posts and the videos. Now, if you could care less about working from home, making money with affiliate marketing, not a problem. I invite you to join for free Futurism by clicking here. So let's click here and check it out. Here's one of the titles. Who says that Europe is headed into another potential pandemic crisis? And this was posted about an hour ago. If we keep working our way down here, some more titles. NASA finds evidence of fresh ice on Saturn's moon. NASA has figured out a new way to safely land on the moon. I mean, you have to admit, these are pretty interesting titles and pretty interesting articles. I mean, sometimes I spend a half an hour back here just reading about it. Uber's safety driver during deadly self-driving car crash charged with negligent homicide. That's interesting. Astronomers detect first ever planet closely orbiting a white dwarf. This moss-filled coffin is made out of fungus. Well, we gotta read this one here. This is interesting. Doctors are preparing to implant the world's first human bionic eye. Really? Okay, I think you get the idea what I'm talking about here. So yes, I'm a subscriber, and several times a week I receive emails with titles like the following. And I read off some of the following here. Scientists, we could build Mars shelters out of insects, polymers, and Martian soil. So I'm going to let you read through some of these titles here. Watch the much hyped all-electric Hummer crab walk in a new video. Wow, got to check that one out. Japanese spaceship will shoot Martian moons in 8K resolution. So I could keep on reading these titles to you. I could keep on adding titles like this, but I think you get the idea. The title of this post and video can be found by clicking here with the first part of the article listed below. So here we are. Colleagues are mailing brains to students to dissect at home. I'm going to let you read about this, but I'm going to show you the link once you get down here, you're going to read more about this dissecting brains by clicking here. So let's click through. Here's the whole article right here. And this is like September 11th it came out. Fascinating. Totally fascinating. You need to read this content, this article here. And I mean, the world's changing, gang. And what's great about futurism is you can keep track of how the world's changing by just reading their articles, okay? Now, 75% of my six-figure income comes from my YouTube marketing videos. It takes me about an average of about an hour a day to make 2 to 3 videos a day, using the software found by clicking here. I'll let you do that. They're offering a free trial. Been doing it for years, so you could imagine I have thousands. I have probably closing in on 2,000 videos on the internet working for me 24/7, making me money. This software automatically produces the video for you, even the voice if you wish. Hey, test it out for free to see how it works. After 30 days, you could have 30, 60, 90 videos working for you 24/7. It's like playing Monopoly. The more videos you have out there, all keyworded, and there again, I'll take you into my live training room as a Silverfox JV member and show you how to do it. But it's like playing Monopoly. The more pieces of real estate you have out there, such as the park places and the boardwalks and Marvin Gardens, the better chance you're going to have to make money. There again, imagine if you have close to 2,000 videos working for you out there day and night. I mean, other than the software that makes these videos, virtually costs you nothing. So, like I said before, when you become a SilverFox JV member, I have a live training room where I'll teach you how to make 3 to 5 videos. In fact, if you want to put a good day's work in, you probably can make 10 videos a day for all of your affiliate marketing opportunities. Another way that I do marketing, of course, is through Facebook. And I make a Facebook group in relation to the affiliate marketing program or the affiliate marketing opportunity. And I embed the video into that Facebook group. And of course, I keyword those Facebook groups. So when somebody does a search on Facebook for something specific, they're going to find me. I guarantee you they're going to find me. And if you click here, you're going to be taken to this Facebook group here. So obviously we don't want to click through there because we're here already. So if you're struggling to make money online with your affiliate programs and or looking for the perfect work-at-home money-making opportunity, working just a few hours a day, join me in this Facebook group, which is right here, by the way, and I'll click through in just a minute, and watch how I make Facebook groups and YouTube videos every day. And follow my lead to making a full-time living working only a few hours a day from home. So if you have questions, you can private message me. All you have to do is we'll click through, join this Facebook group here. This is where the training area is. And by the way, make sure you do watch this video here. It talks about how to actually work the Facebook group that I build for you. I build one free for you. You get one. And I produce a video for you. You get one video free. And then when you become a SilverFox JV member, I'll produce more videos and more Facebook groups for you. But the name of the game is you need to learn how to do this. A lot of the members say, well, you do it for me. You know, listen, in order to make some serious full-time income, you got to do what I do. You've got to make 2 or 3, 4 or 5 Facebook groups and videos a day, all keyworded different. You have to do that, gang. if you're going to make that full-time living. And I'll teach you how to do it in my live training room. Okay, you know what to do. I'll be waiting for you in the Facebook Silver Fox JV Members Team Build group right up here. Now, tomorrow, I will share with you another source for off-the-wall titles and articles and more training on how to attract prospects to your affiliate marketing programs. In fact, I'm going to show you a detailed training course about email marketing. And in that training course, here's some teasers of the titles right here that you're going to be able to use yourself. In fact, I'm going to give you the actual content. It's going to be very generic that you can adapt for your money-making opportunities. I'm going to give them to you for free so that you can get noticed, such as, okay, boy eats own head. I mean, somebody has to click through there and go, what the heck? Boy eats own head. Freddie Starr ate my hamster. Alton attorney accidentally sues himself. I wonder what that's all about. Headless woman in topless bar. Basking in the hatred of morons. Those are great attention getters, attraction marketing type titles that you can use in your email marketing, that you can use in your videos, and that you can use when you build out Facebook groups like I have here. Until my next training video, let's go make some money.